back, No Doubt Fam.
Hi.
Welcome back, No Doubt Fam.
Hello.
Yeah.
This is Dasha.
And of course, Jonathan.
What are we drinking today?
Hey, Mama, let me whisper in your ear. That's a bit weird, isn't it? We are not drinking alcohol today.
Oh, I am.
Are you?
Yeah.
Put some vodka in there.
Yeah, I put some vodka.
Did you actually?
Yeah. This is pink lemonade.
You put vodka in there?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to drink this too.
Yeah. You drink without vodka. You can't pour yourself.
Oh, you put vodka in the cup?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, right. I thought this had vodka in it.
No.
Pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade.
Strawberry, blueberry, some lemon juice, and
Lemon
sparkling
juice.
water. Jeez.
And I got here a little bit of vodka. Not even a shot.
I've got our No Doubt cup. You
Wow.
guys can see. It's yummy.
Oh my god. I found my new favorite summer drink.
You need talking to the mic.
I found my favorite new summer drink.
Yeah, maybe we should sit like this then.
Really? You shouldn't be really moving too much because I set my cameras.
Oh, okay,
You know.
right.
I know it's alright here, but follow your heart, dear. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. I know your dreams are clear. Don't you know we all fear? Don't be afraid of who you want to be. Remember I'm here.
Not only that, it's different.
So mama, maybe you should take the first step.
Like reach out first, and then later, guys generally just. Did you think so? When
If you've never been in love and you're longing for the happiness it brings, try your wings. If you're hungry for the sound of a lover saying sentimental things, try your wings. Even the tiniest bluebird has to leave its nest to fly. What a bluebird can do, you can do too if you try. If you've always had a dream, but you've been afraid that it would not come true, hitherto